Flownex 2026 R1 is now available, featuring major enhancements including an enhanced Excel editor, a new quick Python script and Python console, an improved Flownex Network Builder for Ansys mechanical integration, and advanced parametric and dynamic Ansys co-simulation capabilities. These enhancements are expanded on in our feature videos already available. Additional enhancements include expanded functionality of the Network Builder for Revit files, project merging, bulk renaming tools, dark mode, and an extended pipe schedule and roughness database. These are just some of the major enhancements in this release, along with many additional updates and refinements. Working with data is now more intuitive and dynamic than ever. The new integrated Excel editor allows you to create graphs, format data, and manage advanced functions all directly within Flownex. With smarter data linking, improved search, and more intuitive interaction between cells and components, you can navigate and control even the most complex data sets with ease. To take flexibility even further, Flownex 2026 R1 introduces powerful Python integration. Build and run scripts directly within Flownex using the new Quick Python script component, or interact with your model in real time through the Python console, complete with IntelliSense and live execution. With added support for libraries like 𝗘𝗵𝗆𝗃, you can extend your simulations and unlock advanced capabilities with ease. At the core of Flownex 2026 R1 is enhanced integration with Ansys Mechanical, giving you greater control over your simulations. Easily define custom user properties, extend your models with new component types, and update systems. With smarter snap management, automatic initial values, and improved co-simulation updates, your workflow becomes faster while being more stable and intuitive to use. All these enhancements will contribute to simplifying your process, improving efficiency, and giving you control over your model. Stay connected by following us on LinkedIn, subscribing to our YouTube channel, and visiting Flownex or contacting us at sales@flownex.com.